Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add Gboard to a Samsung keyboard. So first one is open up the Google Play Store into your device and go for the search icon at the bottom, search bar at the top, and search for Gboard. And tap on the app and tap install, and just make sure you have this application into your device and just simply wait for it to load up. Now guys, once it is done downloading, open the app and tap on enable its settings and turn on the Gboard over here and tap on OK and select input method. And now from here guys, as you can see, currently I am using a Samsung keyboard, and now we will have an option to select Gboard, and from there, when you go to your keyboard, it will automatically be changed. There we go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.